Hi guys, it's Natasha and I have another tutorial for you. I love discussing nail trends, so I'm going to start a new segment on my channel and I'm going to call it Let's Talk Nail Trends. So for this first install, we will discuss jelly nails, also known as transparent nails. They are all the rave on my Instagram timeline, and while this is not a new trend, it is creating a wave. So for this video, I thought I would show you how to achieve the look without breaking the bank. Because we all know trends come and go, there is no need to spend hundreds of dollars on something that will last for only a season. This is especially true if you are not a working manicurist and just love trying new things. So I purchased a set of 12 India inks from Amazon. You can use alcohol ink as well, and if you really want to be frugal, you can make your own alcohol inks for this look. Just search how to make alcohol ink in the YouTube search box above. Just a quick note, there isn't a big difference between India ink and alcohol ink. India ink is made with pigments and a solvent, and alcohol ink is made with dye and alcohol. Also, did you guys know that you could use this ink to create marble nails as well? So I tried this look out on my index finger of my trainer hand and it came out so beautiful. So now you have more than one way to use these inks in nail art. Now that we have that out of the way, let's jump into this nail trend. For the tools, you will need ink. I chose to use the green one, a clean Dampen dish, a clean nail polish brush, and a gel polish top coat. You can create this look for both acrylic nail and gel nail sets. For my nail foundation, I am using Mia's Secret acrylic system. And so you know, to get the transparent look, you will need to use clear acrylic or builder gel. Also, I found for this to work, you will need to do this on a finished foul nail, not a buff smooth nail. If the nail is too smooth, the ink will pull and not cover correctly. So I used a dropper to transfer the ink into the dampen dish, and I used 3 drops, probably 2 drops too many, but you live and you learn. I grabbed an old but clean nail polish brush and dipped it into the ink. I went across the cuticle first and then brushed down the nail. Just look at that coverage. That's really good. I'm very impressed. So I did one coat and I let it dry for 1 or 2 minutes, and that's what it looks like with one coat. And then I went in and started to apply my second coat. So after the second coat dried, I wanted to see if it was completely dried. So of course I touched it. And the good thing to know is that it did not transfer. So now that I know that it's dry, I will brush a top coat on it and cure it. And another good thing to note is that when I applied the top coat, it did not transfer onto my polish brush either. So that's a really good thing to know. So once it was cured, I'll go ahead and wipe away the inhibition layer with alcohol. And there you have it, a transparent jelly nail for the low. I mean, you can't really get any better than this. I think this is a great idea to use these inks for this type of trend. I also love the fact that you can use them in more than one way. And definitely if you have this on hand, you can definitely save money. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something new. Go ahead and spread the word of how you can create this inexpensive jelly nail by sharing this video. If you haven't already subscribed, click the subscription button and let me slide into your YouTube feed. I appreciate every last one of you, and I'll go ahead and catch you guys in the next video. Bye.